Hey gearheads, welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're diving into a machine that's rewriting the rulebook of modern muscle, the Plymouth Roadrunner A12 2026. Yes, you heard it right, the legend is back, and it's more raw, more aggressive, and more nostalgic than ever. With a bold return of classic design blended with futuristic tech, this isn't just a tribute, it's a revolution on wheels. At first glance, the 2026 Roadrunner A12 hits you like a sledgehammer of heritage. The designers have brought back the iconic A12 hood scoop, blacked-out steel wheels, and menacing stance that made the 1969 model a street legend. But now, it's sculpted with lightweight materials and aerodynamic improvements that scream performance from every angle. The stance is lower, wider, and ready to pounce, exactly what a modern muscle car should look like. Under the hood, it's pure thunder. The 2026 Roadrunner A12 packs a supercharged 426 HEMI V8 pushing out a jaw-dropping 775 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful American street machines ever produced. And it doesn't just roar, it launches. With a 0 to 60 time just under 3.4 seconds, this beast competes with modern supercars while paying homage to its muscle car roots. The exhaust note is deep, growling, and unapologetically American, just the way Mopar fans love it. The transmission is a performance-tuned 8-speed automatic, but enthusiasts will love that a 6-speed manual option is available too, giving purists the control they crave. The rear-wheel drive layout paired with a limited slip differential gives the car razor-sharp handling while maintaining that old-school rear-end swing on demand. Inside the cabin, it's a blend of retro cues and high-end tech. The dash features analog-inspired digital gauges with customizable themes, while the seats are modern sport buckets wrapped in vintage-styled leather and stitching. There's an 11-inch infotainment system with Uconnect integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even launch control settings built into the interface. It's a digital cockpit, but with muscle car attitude. Safety and tech features weren't forgotten either. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a performance traction system ensure that even though this car brings brutal horsepower, it remains tame enough for daily driving, if you dare. What makes this car special isn't just the numbers or design, it's the soul. Plymouth, now revived under Stellantis's performance division, wanted this to be a love letter to American muscle fanatics, and they delivered. From the aggressive grille to the classic Roadrunner badging, every detail screams nostalgia while performing on today's streets. Limited to just 1,969 units worldwide, the 2026 Roadrunner A12 is already a collector's dream. Each unit is serialized, with an optional plaque that includes the owner's name and build number. It's not just a car, it's a statement. So, who is this car for? It's for the gearheads who grew up hearing stories of street races, quarter-mile battles, and HEMI legends. It's for the new generation that wants performance without compromise. And most of all, it's for anyone who respects the roar of a true American icon. That's it for today's ride into the world of high-octane nostalgia. If you're a fan of muscle cars, legends reborn, and brutal street performance, smash that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and stay tuned. Because the road is calling, and legends like the Roadrunner A12 are answering in full throttle. Checkered flag.